Hi, Jake here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. I'm here to talk to you about some of the features of the Jayco 264 BHW that make it special and make it stand out amongst bunkhouses. So the Rocky Mountain Edition, just to start off, one big feature of that, it actually makes it have 80 gallons of fresh water, and for a bunkhouse when you have multiple sleepers, that's definitely something that's going to be used. So you have your corrugated siding, corrugated steel siding, and your huge pass-through storage right up the front. A lot of stuff can go in there, a lot of bins, and that's accessible from inside and outside too. So whatever you store from the front cap, when you lock it away, you actually can flip up the bed and still have access to it at the same time. You have your huge awning and a lot of windows on the side. This unit stays really bright inside, and that huge awning has outdoor speakers too. So whatever you're playing inside, you actually switch to play outside and make full use of the outdoor space as you are the indoor space. Let's go inside. So what we see here is they made really good use of this space. There's no slide out in this unit, and there's still a lot of kind of roominess and really brightness too. If you walk around queen bed in the master bed, you have shelves on either side too with plug-ins, so if you're charging phones, you have a CPAP machine, overhead storage, plus a lot of actually closet space on either side. And right in front of that, there's a divider wall that gives it a great division of space here, plus you have your convertible couch. This is a jackknife couch, really simple to use, just one-handed, pull it closed, boom, you have your another sleeping space. And that's right into the kitchen here. You have a 3-burner stove, your microwave, your oven, and it's right across from this booth. We have a huge window, so wherever you took the time to get to, you can actually have your dinner, have your meal, have your coffee in the morning, and look out and watch exactly what you took the time to get to see. And in the rear, you have your big double bed bunks. And so each one of these can sleep 1 or 2 kids, and plus I think really smart choice here, they didn't have one single curtain but each individual curtain, so nobody's fighting over who has to go to sleep first. You have your ensuite sink, and it goes right into the bathroom here. And one of the features of Jayco's bathrooms, whenever you have a bunkhouse, they actually offer a little bit more of a tub feature for the shower as well, which makes it really handy to clean off anyone. Now, if you have any questions about the rig, if you want to see it in person, drop on by Junction City lot or give me a call, 773-655-7190.